Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Asano with Emily and Nikki, and we're hanging out in the backyard because it's such a beautiful day. So we asked one of our special friends to do our Reader's Workshop lesson for us today.
Yo, thanks, Miss Asano. Hey, boys and girls. My name's Leo, and I'm a loggerhead sea turtle. You can find us in almost all the oceans. Well, except for the ones that are too cold, like Antarctica and the Arctic. Did you know that females can travel over 7,000 miles just to lay her eggs on the same beach where she hatched? Don't you think that's pretty cool? I have a great story for Mrs. Sana to read to you about this. I sure hope you enjoy it, dudes and dudettes.
Hey, Leo, before we start, do you think I could first talk to the kids about what verbs are for our Reader's Workshop lesson?
Sure, Mrs. Sano, that would be rockin'.
Great! Thanks, Leo. So, boys and girls, like nouns, verbs are a part of speech. But instead of naming something, like a person, animal, place, or thing, they are words that show an action. And an action is something that we do. For example, an action could be to run, kick, dance, swim, sit, or even sleep.
So, boys and girls, while you're listening to the story, see if you can find some verbs. Awesome.
I'll Follow the Moon, written by Stephanie Lisa Terra, illustrated by Lee Edward Foodie. I'll follow the moon. Warm, soft, dry. I dream in blue, shimmering yellow, and turquoise too. I'm coming, Mama. I'll see you soon. I know just how. I'll follow the moon. Click, clack, tap. Blue melts away as I tap, crick, crack. I spin, I sway. I'm coming, Mama. I'll see you soon. I know just how. I'll follow the moon. Roll, slide, tumble. I push, I shove. Boom, bang, shake, and stop. What is above? I'm coming, Mama. I'll see you soon. I know just how. I'll follow the moon. Tap, push, crack. My beak breaks through, a bit at a time, all so new. I'm coming, Mama. I'll see you soon. I know just how. I'll follow the moon. Out, free, lost. It's time to dig through damp, sticky stuff, places so big. I'm coming, Mama. I'll see you soon. I know just how. I'll follow the moon. Crawl, scoop, shove. My flippers glide from here, now there. They slip and slide. I'm coming, Mama. I'll see you soon. I know just how. I'll follow the moon. Oops, you too? Why, we're the same. With flippers flapping, a special game. I'm coming, Mama. I'll see you soon. I know just how. I'll follow the moon. Up, down, around. Together strong, we each find a path. It won't be long. I'm coming, Mama. I'll see you soon. I know just how. I'll follow the moon. Whoosh, night, kiss. I breathe in deep, salt air on my face. Turtle heart leap. I'm coming, Mama. I'll see you soon. I know just how. I'll follow the moon. Fine, blue, glow, spill over me. Oh, moon, high above eternity. I'm coming, Mama. I'll see you soon. I know just how. I'll follow the moon. Stretch, flex, go. Under moon sheen, stripes over my back of deepest green. I'm coming, Mama. I'll see you soon. I know just how. I'll follow the moon. Strong, sure, clear. Flippers move fast. Moon sparkles my way. Lights glitter past. I'm coming, Mama. I'll see you soon. I know just how. I'll follow the moon. Wet, spray, tickle. Water on me. Rushing, crashing sounds. Much more to see. I'm coming, Mama. I'll see you soon. I know just how. I'll follow the moon. Gulp, spin, float. I lose my place. Water swirls around me. Look for a face. I'm coming, Mama. I'll see you soon. I know just how. I'll follow the moon. Swim, look, search. Moon knew the way. Now here in my dream, I wait, I stay. I'm coming, Mama. I'll see you soon. I know just how. I'll follow the moon. Eyes like mine of deepest blue, shell to shell we go, in love anew. I'm here, Mama, here with you. I knew I'd find you. Moon did too.
Dudes, how'd you like the story? My mom used to read it to me all the time. Did you hear any verbs? The turtle in the story did a lot of things. There were a lot of action words. Some of the verbs I heard were swim, float, crawl, push, and roll. Did you hear any others? Awesome.
Thanks so much for your help today, Leo.
No problemo, Miss Asano. But before you go, I made 3 different non-fiction stories about turtles for your students. Hey, boys and girls, pick the one that is just right for you and read it. Then go back and read it again. After you've read it at least 2 times, try to find all the verbs in the story you picked. You can circle them or highlight them. How many can you find? Have fun. Later, dudes.
Wow, thanks, Leo. I love it, and I know the students will too. Remember, boys and girls, when you're reading to yourself or to a partner, try to find verbs in your stories. Keep reading, and I'll see you real soon. Bye. Say bye, Em.